So you might be trying to figure out how you can fix your Telegram if you have some sort of SMS problems. Now, this is a pretty easy type of fix. Now, there's lots of different types of problems that you can have within Telegram. One of the big ones is like a code issue. So sometimes there can be a little bit of like a code problem that basically comes up. Now, it can be something like an SMS free option. It can be something like some other thing like an error code or enter the code, and the code is basically not being sent to you. Now, if something like this happens where it's telling you to enter the code and it's not being sent over, the big thing to do is basically double check your SMS errors. So sometimes the number one reason why people don't get an SMS is if they're already logged into another Telegram via a laptop or a PC or something like that. So your best bet is to go through and make sure you're not already logged into one of those accounts inside of one of those pages. Because if you are, well, then you're not going to be able to go ahead and get into Telegram because you're already logged in. So make sure you're not already, you haven't already received the code. And if you already have, then you can just enter that particular code. Now, what you can also do is sometimes just double check your cell service that you have. Sometimes you might have to turn on and off airplane mode. So go inside of your airplane mode option, toggle it off, toggle it on. You want to see if that ends up fixing it, which chances are that might end up fixing it for you. If that still isn't fixing it, you might want to try seeing if you can update your Telegram application. So right inside of the Telegram app, try going through and try updating Telegram. That can also be another thing I'd recommend doing as well. So those are kind of a couple ways of kind of adjusting it and hopefully fixing that error for you. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would be so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.